Hey everybody, we're going to keep working on our argument essay. Your thesis sentence should be coming into me and you should be getting some feedback. Once your thesis sentence draft is approved, then you're going to start thinking about the introduction. Okay? And like I said in the video earlier this week, if you follow this formula, you can write an introduction paragraph for any writing that you do. It is 4 sentences long. Your intro serves the purpose of hooking your reader into your topic and giving them your position through your thesis statement. Okay? Your position is how you view it as your claim on your particular topic in this case, since we're writing an argument essay. Your introduction paragraph um, is 4 sentences, and this is a planning sheet that you can use. Okay? Your first sentence is the hook. It's broad, it's the broadest sentence of your paragraph. It should maybe mention your topic, not your position, nothing like that. Just very broad. And sometimes your hook doesn't even mention your topic. I'll show you what that is. The second sentence narrows down. The third narrows it even more, and it's getting close to the fourth sentence, which is your thesis. This is called an inverted triangle introduction because the first sentence is the broadest and your thesis is the most narrow in there. Let's look at some examples. Have you ever wondered how people can learn about the history of past lives? Hmm, I don't have any idea what this person's writing about, but I'm thinking now, have I wondered? So it is a very broad sentence. It does not give away any information about your thesis, nor does it give any information about what you're writing in your body paragraphs. So now we've got a narrow. So sentence 1 goes to sentence 2. One way in which individuals educate themselves about the past is to look at time capsules. Oh, so we have you thought about how we learn about the past? Broad. And then we narrowed it down. One way to learn about the past is time capsules. Oh, so I guess there might be writing about time capsules? Well, let's look at sentence 3. Time capsules house artifacts from the past, which can be telling of how people lived. So now we get a narrower definition of what a time capsule is and how it functions. And then our thesis. If a time capsule were put together for the year 2018, an important artifact to include, which would tell those in the future about this year, would be a cell phone. The next couple of body paragraphs would be why the cell phone is representative of the year 2018. Okay, let's look at this paragraph 2. Here's our broadest sentence. As the years go by, it seems as if the world is struggling. Yep, that hooks me in, but it does not give me a hint to what they're writing about. So sentence 2 narrows it down a little bit. One such area that the United States is specifically struggling in is to provide everyone with health care. Oh, so we go the whole world? Now we go U.S. health care. More narrowed focus. Sentence 3. Too many people suffer each day because they cannot afford to see doctors. So that's more narrow, specific with struggling, U.S. is struggling with healthcare. And then the fourth sentence is their thesis. Because of this, it is imperative that America changes its laws in order to make available healthcare to each and every one of its citizens. The next paragraphs will describe why and how America should change its laws. Okay. I want to show you one that I did. Those were my students, former students. So Hartford Community College enrolls nearly 10,000 students each year. Wow, 10,000? Very broad. You don't know what I'm going to do with that. I narrow it down in the second sentence. The majority of these students commute to class. So I go with all students to commuters. And then my third sentence, With so many students commuting to campus through the day, the stuffed parking lots burst at the seams. Oh, so everybody, commuters, really bad trying to park. And then the thesis. While the budget should be considered, Hartford Community College must construct a new parking lot in order to alleviate congestion. So my body paragraphs then become why and how HCC must construct a new parking lot. Okay, so 4 sentences is all you get for the inverted triangle. And your 4th sentence is the thesis. So you're really only going to create 3 other sentences. The broadest hook, one that narrows the focus, one that narrows the focus even more and leads us to the thesis. So your homework for Monday or Tuesday of next week, depending on when you have class, is to email me your 4-sentence inverted triangle. That's the first part of your homework. Okay? All right. Be on the lookout for another grammar, our final grammar. It's coming in the next video.